In this video, we're going to show you how to integrate a CompuScholar Common Cartridge course into your Blackboard learning management system. Now this is a two-step process, and the first thing you're going to want to do is authorize our LTI domain. This is something that needs to be done as an administrator, so we're going to start off in the administrator panel. We'll scroll down and pick building blocks. Then select LTI tool providers. Now there's two options on this screen, Manage Global Properties and Register a Provider Domain. Let's take a peek at the global properties first. These properties impact how your entire site works with LTI links. Under Feature Availability, you want to make sure Enabled in Courses is selected as yes, and the same thing for Enabled in Organizations. Make sure that is yes as well. Now you have three different options for treating the creation of new LTI links within a course. Your site may allow all links that are not explicitly excluded, or it might allow links to any tool provider but require approval for each one. Or you may only allow links from approved tool providers. You don't need to change this setting. We'll work with your site's current configuration. CompuScholar currently does not require any user information to be sent across our LTI links, so you can leave these options at Never and No for Show User Acknowledgement, and you can uncheck all the rest of these fields. Now if your site has other requirements for other publishers, you can certainly change these configurations. So if you ended up making any changes on this Global Properties page, be sure to click the Submit button to save them. After inspecting the global properties, let's go in and register our provider domain. For the provider domain, we'll type in learning.compuscholar.com. We'll leave the status at approved. Secondary host names is blank. And we're going to make sure to click on Set Globally for the default configuration. Now CompuScholar will assign a unique key and secret to your school or district, and those will be communicated separately. So once you've entered your provider key and your provider secret, you can leave the custom parameters blank. And again, scroll down, and we don't need any user data, so you can click Never here. Leave all the user fields unchecked, and click No for a user acknowledgement message. And when you're done, be sure to click the Submit button. Now you should see learning.compuscholar.com listed as an approved LTI provider, and you're ready to import a course cartridge. Now as a teacher, when you're ready to import a course, you go to your teacher's interface and click Create a Course. Now you'll receive your common cartridge file from CompuScholar, so we'll just browse to that on our local hard drive, and you can choose your course ID and a course name. In this case, we're going to import a TeenCoder Java programming cartridge. And you can enter in any description that you like, as well as choose the specific type of enrollment options that are particular to your school. And when you're done, just click on Save and Continue. We'll skip over Invite Students for now, and you can do this later in a manner that's consistent with your school's policies. Next, let's click on Customise Course. When you reach the Quick Setup Guide, you can make any further customizations that you like in terms of the appearance of the course, and then click on Apply Changes. You'll notice that an import process is launched in the background, and this message will be updated when the import is complete. Okay, the import is complete, and because we've pre-configured the LTI domain in the administrative panel, we should be ready to view the content immediately. Let's click on TeenCoder Java Programming from the navigation panel, and you can see all of our chapters and lessons have been imported into the course. Here in Chapter 2, for example, we've got 3 or 4 different lessons. Let's take a look at the Java platform, and you can see each of our lesson video, text, and quizzes have been imported along with the teacher-only material such as the teacher's guide. Now notice that material that is listed for the teacher is marked as Item is not available, and this means that the students will not be able to see the teacher's material, which is what we want. However, the teacher, of course, can click on this and still view the content. So let's take a look at some lesson text. And you can see the lesson content has been pulled dynamically from our cloud and is displayed natively within the Blackboard interface. And this works for lesson texts and videos and quizzes and even the teacher's guides and solutions. So all of the course content is now available to you dynamically within your Blackboard interface. So to summarize, the import of a common cartridge is a two-step process. You want to make sure our LTI domain is configured correctly in your system admin panel, and you'll use the secret keys that are assigned to you by CompuScholar. And then you just go through the import process as a teacher when you create a new course, and your CompuScholar content will then be natively displayed within your Blackboard environment. And you can use the full power of the Blackboard system along with your CompuScholar courses. Thanks for watching.